interesting how the story really hasn't changed a heck of a lot here over the past few days, eh? Now, with of course the focus on Texas down in the states, I think it's going to be a little bit challenging to really juice the price volatility game. I think if anything, you might even find that the whole damn country goes into like a week of mourning here because it's just over the top and intense. And you might find that actually people kind of lose interest in the market to a certain degree. And the market, remember, the Wall Street guys got away with what they wanted to and what they needed to get away with on Friday. I mean, that was just stunning. Again, they pulled off just a massive coup in the market. They're rich, their pockets are loaded up. Do they really need to be a hero right now and go and push markets around? No. We do have Fed minutes coming out. We'll probably see the tone of their conversation, which I think is going to be sort of more, we've got a problem with inflation. We have to keep raising rates. And we have to get sort of the market's credibility again, which means that probably stuff like this is not going to catch a huge bid. Now, that's just opinion. The good part about this, of course, we did have these key lows from the other day hold, this railroad track low. They took out this tail, but the key railroad track lows held. So now I'm considering this dump low that we had the other day as a number 2 point on the bullish bot setup. And the bullish bot setup, all the levels are still valid. We're now on the other side of this trend line. Interesting. Can we call this a number 3 point now here for the bull bot? Maybe. Did notice how the double bottom level is the bot entry level. If this level is tripped up, would I feel okay being bullish and touting the bot long? Yep, I would be okay with that. Ironically enough, if you had, I don't really like it, but if you had, say, taken that level, anticipating the bot setup, and eventually the bot level did get tripped up. So if you had bought this W here and said, this is 1 low, this is 2 low, this is 3 lows, well, technically you're still in the trade. Nothing's changed. So, only time will tell. If we do head up through this railroad track reversal resistance fail level and that trips up the bot level, I think you might actually get a half decent little rally here. Conversely, and I think now it is totally predicated, this low here was 28,681, 29, 28, 28,681 and a quarter. Now that's that's a bit suspect unto itself. The fact that that's an odd number. If this was a serious low, then I think you would have seen this as a big fat round number. I often see that happen. Now maybe this low is slightly lower. What's that low? No, 28,561. That's that low there, eh? 28,561. 28,615. Wow, isn't that weird? Okay. 28,615, 28,656. 28,620, 28,561. Okay, so the lowest low here, interesting enough, is this low, 561. But bot, of course, starts its count following the highest high. So I think this is a key pivot. And of course, if we go through here, that'll make a big fat M, and that will start firing these bearish signals. So it's really that simple, folks. Trade up through that high there, and away we go to the upside. Probably trade down through that low there, and we're going to puke out in earnest. We have actually an extremely small risk window. It's not really that big of a risk window. So if that's the case, actually taking a long there, it's pretty good risk reward, right? It's 3-to-1 just off the base, right up to the bot objective. Maybe sell like 80% of the position. Maybe put like the rest of the 20% of the position. You just put your stop at scratch. And who knows? Maybe the thing takes off like a rocket and you're long from here forever. Who knows? So it's not a bad little risk window. Keep your eyes peeled, all you crazy ass traders. That's probably worth paying attention to.